Muling ipatutupad ng Kamara ang mas simpleng pagdaraos ng State of the Nation Address o SONA ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos. Ngayong araw, nagpulong sa unang pagkakataon ng iba't ibang concerned government agencies sa pangunguna ng House of Representatives, Senado, Philippine National Police at ang Presidential Security Command. Ayon kay House Secretary General Cheloy Garafil, ang operative word ngayong taon ay simplicity. Kaya naman tulad ng ginawa noong nakaraang taon, walang ilalatag na red carpet.
No red carpet, no long gowns. As you can see in the invitations that we've prepared, we've specifically mentioned that we've encouraged, we're urging everyone, especially the ladies, to just wear simple Filipiniana dress. Even some of the preparations that we've done are all geared towards keeping it simple but still dignified. Of course, this is a major event for the administration and for the Filipino people. So I hope everyone will also contribute to making this very simple but dignified for the President and for the whole government.
Kabilang sa mga tinalakay sa coordination meeting para sa ikalimang SONA ang logistical, security, protocol at operational arrangements. Present sa pulong si Senate Secretary Renato Bantug na itinalaga ni Senate President Pro Tempore Sherwin Gatchalian. Handa naman umano ang Senado na makipagtulungan para sa maayos na pagdaraos ng SONA na itinakda sa July 27.
Whether you like it or not, I'm back. Again, I would like to thank our colleagues and friends from the House of Representatives who graciously hosting this first coordinating SONA. And of course, our friends from the Executive Department led by Yusek Rachel. I'll be less formal in my introductions. And of course, the Senate team is here and we give all assurances of our cooperation and support for a very successful SONA hosting.
In the heart of changing lives, ako si Brigada Haji Caaminio ng 105.1 Brigada News FM Manila, The Music and News Authority.